Hello everyone. Today we'll learn about quantitative characteristics of accounting information. So there are two types of information characteristics. One is qualitative, which we are going to learn in this video, and the other is quantitative. So these characteristics will be in numbers. Okay. So qualitative characteristics, there are four characteristics: reliability, relevance, understandability, and comparability. So what are these characteristics? First characteristic is reliability of accounting information. So whenever you are finding an information or comparing any information, you are analyzing any information, so that information should be reliable in nature. For example, today I go and research about some field, for example, say commerce field, accounts field. So today I get some information like the general profit of a company is rupees 10,000. Generally, it earns 10,000 as profit. Next year, that profit should be matching. Like even if it's not exactly 10,000, still it should be somewhere near 10,000, like 9,000, 11,000, 12,000. It should not go like directly to 1 lakhs next year. So it will be not reliable in nature. If the numbers, both the profits of the both years, if they are close enough, then it will be reliable. So the information, one characteristic of accounting information, it is reliability. So our accounting information, whatever we find, information, whatever we record, it should be reliable in nature. Second one is relevance. So relevance means related to what the researcher or the data analyst wants. So if I am the data analyst or I am the researcher, I want some information about the profit of the company. So my information, what I will be finding, should be related to profit of the company. Okay. So how much the company produces, how much the company sales, how much are the losses of the company generally, and finally how much is the profit. So I will find all the relevant information relating to that. Okay. Then understandability, it should be easy to interpret. Whatever information I will find, I will record it in my report. So I will write it in my reports. So the whatever I will write in my report, it should be understandable in nature. So the person outside the organization who is reading my report, that person should be able to understand what I have written, what I have exactly found out from my research. Okay. If it's not understandable, then that information whatever I have found is not that worth, and my expenses, whatever I spent money, that all will be my losses. Okay. So I have to make some profit out of that. Like at least it should work for me. Whatever I wanted to find, I have found it, and exactly I have written it in my own words, but it is easy to understand. Okay. So for understandability, there are various accounts that we'll be learning in our future. So journal entries, ledger entries, trial balance, everything we'll be learning. Okay. So it should be relevant. It should be understandable in nature. And the last characteristic is comparability. So I have to compare my data with two types. Okay. Or the various alternatives which I have. So I have alternative A, I have alternative B, C, D. Okay. So I should be able to compare my data so as to choose one alternative out of A, B, C, D. Okay. So it should be comparable. For example, I want to find my data if it's relevant, or if it's matching with the highest topper company, like the company who is very famous. For example, say Tata company, and my company is a small scale company. So I should be able to find compare between the my financial data and Tata company financial data. I should be able to find some correlation between this. Okay. So that is called comparability. So these were the four characteristics. One is reliable, it should be consistent in nature. Okay. So it should not differ like very much. Large difference should be not there. Small differences are okay. Relevance, whatever I want to find, I should be able to find it. My questions, whatever questionnaire I will prepare to find the information I want, all that should be relevant to the information required. Understandability, whatever I will record in my books or in my reports or whatever, it should be understandable. Like the person outside the company or the organization, she should be able to understand whatever I have written. And comparability. So comparability, I should be able to compare my data with the other organizations' data or other year financial year's data. So I hope you all have understood this video, and thanks for watching the video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe.